when we talk on the next question, consider the following statements here. Consider the following statement that M.N. Roy founded the Radical Democratic Party after renouncing Marxism, and Roy believed that the Indian Revolution could only be led by the proletariat class. Which one do you think is correct? It could only be led by the proletariat class. Okay, so here, what do we know on Roy is that Roy, he was a communist Marxist initially, means he had learnt on Marxism, and he also knew that there was the bourgeois and there is going to be the proletariat classes. Okay, the bourgeois and the proletariat. So the Marxist angle was proletariat revolution. Proletariat, they are going to remove the bourgeois and the higher classes. So initially he also believed in that, but later on he is going to remove the Marxist ideology and he is going to focus on radical humanism, radical democracy, okay, and all that. And here you just see Roy believed that Indian revolution could only be led, only, once again extreme. Okay, so no, he did not believe in that. He believed that even the middle class could participate and even the middle class could do the things. So that is why 2 is incorrect. So here when we talk, okay, so 2 is incorrect, but the first one is correct. So the answer here is going to be A. Alright, so the answer here, it is going to be A.